Ever pondered about the size of your environmental footprint? It's a measure of the impact your choices have on our planet. From the food you eat to the way you travel, every decision leaves an imprint. And it's not just about carbon emissions, it's about water usage, waste production, and more. We all have a responsibility to tread lightly on our Earth. The good news is, there's a lot you can do to reduce your footprint. What if I told you you could make a significant difference with a few simple eco-hacks? Think about all the food waste you produce. Now imagine turning that waste into something beneficial. Composting is a fantastic way to do just that. It's a process where organic waste, like fruit and vegetable peels, decompose naturally over time. This process significantly reduces the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills. But composting doesn't just reduce waste, it also creates something incredibly valuable: nutrient-rich soil. This black gold, as gardeners often call it, is a great way to enrich the soil in your garden. It improves soil structure, increases its water-holding capacity, and provides a buffet of nutrients for plants. And the best part? Composting is a simple process that can be done right at home. All you need is a compost bin, some green and brown organic waste, and a little patience. So, with composting, we can say that one man's trash really is another man's treasure. With composting, you're not just reducing waste, you're also creating something valuable. How much energy do you think you waste daily? It's a question that might surprise you. Energy efficiency is not about living with less, but rather making the most of what we have. It's about being smart with our resources. So, how can we be more energy efficient in our day-to-day lives? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start with the basics. When you leave a room, flick off the light switch. This simple action can save a significant amount of energy over time. And what about your appliances? Are they energy vampires quietly sucking power even when they're not in use? Consider switching to energy-efficient appliances, which are designed to use less power while delivering the same performance. And remember, energy conservation isn't just about your electricity bill. It's about reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. We all have a role to play in this. Remember, every bit of energy saved contributes to a healthier planet. Ever considered the environmental impact of your shopping habits? Every time we make a purchase, we're making a choice. A choice that can either contribute to the problem or be part of the solution. The key to sustainable shopping is mindfulness. It's about considering the life cycle of the products we buy, from production to disposal. Consider buying in bulk. It's a simple way to cut down on packaging waste. And when you do have to buy packaged goods, opt for ones with less plastic. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Supporting companies that prioritize sustainability is another great way to shop responsibly. These companies understand the value of our planet and are willing to put in the extra effort to protect it. Remember, every product we buy has an environmental footprint. By being mindful of our consumption, we can help reduce this footprint. By choosing to shop sustainably, you're making a positive impact on the environment. So, are you ready to reduce your environmental footprint? Let's recap. By composting, you're not only reducing waste but enriching your garden. Energy efficiency can save money and resources. And sustainable shopping. It's a choice that supports fair trade and eco-friendly products. These are simple yet effective ways to embrace an eco-friendly lifestyle. Small changes, big impact. It's as easy as that. Remember, the power to make a difference lies in your hands. Start today for a healthier planet tomorrow.